Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change language on Threads, and now let's dive right in. Now to change language on your Threads app, first open up the Threads app on your phone. And after opening your Threads app, guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Threads. And on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here where at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's a two-line icon just beside the camera icon. Tap on the two-line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here where you can see the language option available for us at the bottom side of the screen, just above the help or just below the account. Tap on language, and you land over here where all of the languages available on the Threads app will be over here. Now in order to change to it, simply tap on the language on which you want to change to, and then your language on your Threads app will be changed like this. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change language on Threads app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.